Hi guys, and I'm joined with someone.
Hi.
And I also have a box. I wonder what's in the box. This is my other July purchase. This one it was up on eBay for a little bit. I had to really negotiate the seller
Still
to.
a couple left.
What? What do you mean a couple
Aren't there
left?
still a couple of them left?
I don't. Yes, there is. There's still a couple of them left. It's not at all what he's for. Okay, here we go. This is pretty interesting. Alright, here we go. Hey, Alex.
Yeah?
There's not a couple of these left.
What the? Okay, I was wrong.
I didn't get that Sunbeam yet, but there's still a couple left, so I might get it in August. But we'll see. For now, though, this is a more interesting Sunbeam, or one of the more interesting ones. Actually, all the Sunbeams are pretty interesting. This one is a 4551. This one, I got an okay deal on it, but I spent a little more than I really wanted to. But it's fine, I guess. I mean, YouTube's helping me afford those kind of losses. So, you know, I'm totally fine with, it's one of these where you have to, like, slide this part of it off. And then you have the inside. And then it opens on the side here, I guess. Oh, it flings open. Alright, let's see what we got. So we have the instructions, or manuals. We got this. It's the, some kind of article or something. At least that's what it looks like. I don't know what this is. This is probably... Oh, it's a sticker. Cool. I could put this on my door if I wanted to. Because I have a bunch of stickers on my door. Here's the battery. Actually pretty good in shape. Really good in shape.
Oh, can I see it?
Perfect in condition.
Oh, damn.
And then this is kind of the reason why I bought this. Anchors and screws. And the alarm itself. So this may look like... This has a very familiar design, as you may have seen with these, or not really, actually not that one, but rather, let me find two good examples. All three of these are pretty much the same unit. All three of these. This one is a FireX model. This one is actually a Code 1 model, or React Smoke Alarm model, which is interesting. And this React one's the closer cousin to this one, which is the Sunbeam model of this, which is interesting. So it's got the piezo, of course. This is a newer FBXB-1A based unit. It's got the newer kind of bracket, if you know what I mean, like the ones. It's not like the one this one has, where it has a little tiny one. I don't know where it is though.
May I see the base?
To this one.
Oh, okay, yeah.
It's like a kind of newer style bracket. So obviously, the real charm in this unit really comes in with this logo in the middle here, which is cool. They put the Sunbeam logo on the front of the FireX, which is interesting. They retained the FireX design, but they just added the Sunbeam logo in the middle. Knowing of a few other people, I know JDL Productions has one of these, but his has the tiered button. So apparently this one is rare to have the domed buttons on them.
Yeah, but I was about to guess if yours had a dome one.
Yeah, this one is domed. Here's the back. 4551.
Do you plan on testing it?
Yes, I will.
Nice.
Probably really quickly, though. because it's still kind of early. And then this right here is the reason why I got it. This is like the Jameson, which I actually never showed. It's on my door right now. The Jameson's also kind of based on the same unit, the CD1. It's the same. You can use this little hanger thing. You can put it on the door, which I'll be putting next to my Jameson now. So, pretty interesting. Anyways, we'll put a battery in there and we'll give this a test.
Damn, that's high pitched.
It didn't go in correctly. Shoot. See, the battery's just going like this. If I can get it in there. I'm not going to put it all the way in because I'm literally going to unpower this. Alright, quick test. Yeah. It's what you'd expect it to sound like.
It gets the same pitch as the 1285 I sent you.
Yeah, it has like the high-pitched dying sound potential. Negative. Yeah. So this is actually, yeah, I really like this unit. Let me see if I can figure out this. I forgot how this goes. Oh yeah, I remember how this worked now. So how you put it on the door is you have to like slide this bracket through like the little middle portion here the way you want it, and then you can like put it up against, at least I think that's how it goes. I'm assuming that's how it goes. It's staying though, so like you could kind of see it's like hanging. So that's cool. So that's where it's gonna go. It's gonna go next to the RS1. So I'm gonna go ahead and set that up real quick, and I'll be back. So upon getting this clip on, it actually is a slightly different design than this one, since this one's actually meant for it. It has a little tab there, and you can like slide it out there. The Sunbeam's kind of a more stranger design, but the stem, looks like this one would be like the taller one. So I'm probably gonna put this one on my closet door, I think, because I thought that would be funny. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. So we're going to get this off. Put it like up here. Some of the back cameras work. I did not get this the way I wanted it to. Let me fix it up real quick. Alright, I got it up. It's looking nice. Really like the way this looks. Hopefully I can get another alarm to go there. Like the 79 TA would look really good here. Even though it's not exactly the same color, but it would still be funny to have. So hopefully I can get myself a 79 TA so I can do that. And maybe I'll interchange the alarms, because I have that one there and that one there. So yeah, that's gonna do it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Here's the logo. And you want to say bye?
Bye-bye.